Why? Why? Ang daming bit-bite. Good evening. Good evening. Bagong gising. Oops, saan yung pupunta? Saan yung pupunta? Saan ka pupunta? Oh, buklat agad ng rep. Anong kukunin mo?
Yummy.
Yummy ano?
Yummy treats.
Yummy treats.
Yummy fruit.
Yummy fruits.
What's this?
That is balsamic vinegar.
Good job.
Good job.
It's milk.
Yeah, it's milk.
Yummy. That's good.
Mm-hmm.
What's this? Another one.
It's a balsamic vinegar.
And it's over.
This one is a Mang Tomas.
It's over. Here's the over.
Alin ang over?
It's over right here on the top.
This one?
No.
What?
It's a habit over too.
Alin?
Look, another one.
Another one, another
What
two.
is this?
Which one?
It's a honey.
Honey. Okay. Honey and mustard.
Yummy. That's for the hamburger.
No, for the salad. This is for the hamburger.
Yummy.
Yummy. What do you like?
It's for the hot dog.
Yeah, it is hot dog. Sausage. Hot dog nga.
They make a milkshake.
Oh, milkshake!
Yes, yummy milkshake is good.
Wow.
You spell my name.
Yeah.
Do this to the number.
Okay, close it. Where's your name? Close it muna, close it.
No.
Ano ang lagi mong tinitingnan dyan?
Who's this? It's a yummy apple. It's so great.
Yum! Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, it's bleeping. Oh my god, what's that? What happened?
What happened to the house?
Oh, to the house.
What happened to the house?
Oh, to the fridge.
Oh no, we have to stop it.
Yeah, you have to close it.
We have to stop it.
It's stopped now. Okay?
What happened to the house? Shh. It's like that.
It's like that.
Knee. What's that? It's knee. It's Nene.
Anong nini? It's bleeping.
It's sleepy.
Bleeping. Like Come here, come here. Oh man, come here na. Come.
Oh no.
Huh?
Okay.
Gusto na naman magpabuhat.